welcome to Tiza Karaoke. Please subscribe down below and comment and God will bless you. Today we are going to study about can you explain your introvert nature using pictures. Can you explain your introvert nature using pictures? This 12 picture exactly explain what introverts are thinking. This 12 picture exactly explain what introverts are thinking. At introvert nightmare, I go to another classroom to ask for a chair. The other class when I open the door. Please subscribe down below on my channel and be able to run around. Bye.